If you want to make money in 2026 in the next bull run cycle, which most likely will happen in 2026, then pay attention to this video because I will share with you my ultimate crypto portfolio for 2026. My top 10, and also if you want to filter to go to top 5 cryptocurrencies that you should have for 2026. Now, the things have changed a lot into the crypto market. And if you are not really an expert in this industry with experience and researching and following up in every single day on everything what is happening, it's really very difficult to have certainty about what you should have in your portfolio. And the 95 at least percent of the retail investors are sitting in uncertainty about the future of their investments. And because they didn't see in 2025 the bull run that everybody was expecting, now is more uncertainty for 2026 and for the future of crypto. But if you really just see where the money is going, which cryptos are the winners, which ones are established there that will be in the future no matter what happens in the crypto industry, then you will be able to win and you will be able to make money in the next bull run cycle. I'm also talking about right now, okay? Number one crypto for your portfolio is, of course, Bitcoin, and there's no question about it. I'm not going to talk much about Bitcoin because everybody knows. If you do not know about Bitcoin, make sure you read my book at Amazon, Bitcoin, The New Gold. You will find it there. It's a bestseller in Greece as well. This is my Greek version of the book. Smaller one, but it's nicer and beautiful. So make sure you read that one as well. Number two is Ethereum. Ethereum, I do not see necessarily a huge, big difference when it comes to the return of investment to Bitcoin. It follows mostly Bitcoin, but now that it's also in the corporate treasuries, it's going the same trend as the Bitcoin as well, so it does have its expectation. And number three, of course, in the list is Solana. So Solana is the winner of layer ones, is the winner of the altcoins, and is the best project right now by far compared to any other project in the space. And I'm not telling this by being a huge fan of Solana and all this stuff. The numbers are talking by themselves. For example, Solana right now, the Solana ETF has broke $1 billion in the Wall Street, which can be bad or good in the same time. You can decide that about yourself. And also Solana in 2025 had more profit than any other crypto layer one or project in the space, more than Ethereum, more than Hyperliquid and any other layer one in the market, $1.3 billion. And if you check any other metric, like how many active addresses, how much activity in which chain, etc., Solana is the number one winner. Solana is the number one option right now for governments, big banks, institutions, for everybody to choose to build and operate. And number three is XRP. XRP is winner when it comes to the altcoins and to the ETFs. There is a lot of contradictory when it comes to the XRP. In my opinion, XRP has not found yet its feet when it comes to utility. But XRP has many other great things that makes this asset have demand in the market. For example, it has the strongest community, it has the best team in the compared to any other altcoin in the market, and any other crypto except Bitcoin, it needs a team to be run. But also XRP, I strongly believe that will be there based on the fundamentals that I have so far. So very important to clarify something here. I do not know the future because I don't have a crystal ball to predict the future. I only can read the markets based on what we have now and how things are going based on what I have now. And let's go to the next crypto, which is BNB. BNB for me, and I could summarize it as the stock of the Binance, even if it's not officially the stock of Binance, because BNB is related with the BNB ecosystem. Biggest holders of BNB is CZ, the team. BNB, Binance itself has its BNB chain, its demand. Internally has a utility, paying trading fees, trading with BNB. If you participate in the campaigns that it has there, it has a lot of utility inside and outside as well. And by the way, this is not advertising for or promotion for Binance at all. I'm just looking at the numbers here. I can see, based only on what they have done and so far and continue with the same policies and the same structures, same strategies that they have for the future, I can see this exchange reaching 1 billion users in the future. And if Binance reach 1 billion users in next 3, 4, 5, 10 years maximum from now, you can imagine what will happen also with the BNB crypto. And that's why I'm putting BNB on the number 5 in the list. And next one is Chainlink. Chainlink has been proven that it is the number one for the oracles in the blockchain industry, for the information, and also now it's officially ETF in the United States. It's been chosen from institutional investors. I can go on and on. And if you want to go further to diversify more to the top 50, because what I chose today are in the top 50 in the coin market cap, with more risk, but in the same time more potential and the return of investment, then we can see number 7, for example, the numbers that we can see. Sui is the second best blockchain in the market. Sui has to prove itself yet in the market, so it does have better potential as an ROI, but also high risk because it has to prove itself and to give better return of investment when this project will be established more. And my expectation to see something better in Sui is when the market will rally and we will have a real bull market, which means everything will blow up. And I'm talking about that case scenario, okay? And number 8 in the list is HBAR. HBAR is the winner on the tokenization world. As the BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says, the future is tokenized. Everything in this planet will be tokenized sooner or later and will be run in the blockchain. The winner in the tokenized world is HBAR. Simple as that. Then we have Ton. If you want to look more here and there, you have Ton, which is also part of the ecosystem of Telegram. Telegram has already over 1 billion users, and I can see a lot of future in the Telegram because consistently there's some development there. There's apps, there's even AI trading through Telegram apps and copy trading and many other stuff. There is a lot of utility. And then last one, Aster. Aster is the future development of the technology. Is the present, is something that is needed, a perpetual decentralized platform that people can trade and not be restricted from the regulations either in Europe or UK or many other countries that you cannot in different platforms. And Aster gives this opportunity. I can see in the future, I know that there is more competitors like Hyperliquid, but I can see the Aster, at least with the data that I have until the moment. In the future can change, but I'm talking only from what I can see so far, that Aster, for many different reasons when it comes to the platform itself, the connection that it has with CZ, with BNB, with Binance itself, its ecosystem that is getting power and support and many other stuff and more attention for people also to choose it. I can see Aster has a bright future, and especially when the markets will start picking up. So those were my top 10. Now, if we want to filter and to go just in top 5, which I strongly believe that is not needed to have more than 5 best investment in crypto. And my top 5 for 2026 are: first, BTC. No matter what you think of Bitcoin, no matter what you have in your portfolio, you should have BTC at least 50% of your portfolio. And if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin in discount, make sure you check also bitmainmining.com. You can mine with us and you can accumulate more Bitcoin with the same capital. And I have extra strategies on how you can multiply your investment in BTC and leverage and accumulate more Bitcoin. Number 2, Solana. Solana is the best winner. You don't need Ethereum. You want to minimize your holdings and maximize your profit and more safety. Solana is a way better option than Ethereum. But then why did I choose Ethereum in the first place as the top 10? Because I still believe that Ethereum is one of the top 10 cryptos to be holding, but it's not necessarily the one that will give you the best return of investment. And then we go to BNB, which is a stable growth project. The BNB itself and Binance itself, which is linked to that. Then number 4, HBAR, which is the winner of the future. And number 5, Aster, the winner of the futures. And those are, again, my top 5 pickups for 2026. And make sure you download also my crypto report for 2026 for the market. I have an analytical report with my own analysis and prediction for 2026 for the entire market. You can download it for free by clicking just the link that is down below in the description and the comments. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I would like to hear also your top pickups for 2026 down below in the descriptions, and also your opinion about what I said so far in this video. And smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future, and see you into the next one.